This is the Rain Basin 8-gallon washdown. This rain basin is great for users that want to store the tank in the trunk of their vehicle, in the bed of their truck, or on the floor of a small watercraft. The tank is equipped with rubber cleats to keep your tank from sliding around during travel. The washdown comes with our 400 PSI rain flare sprayer with useful settings like high pressure jet, 25-degree fan, and dispersed shower. Your washdown will be an all-in-one unit to conquer any job in can. With a powerful portable battery, you will be able to empty your 8-gallon tank almost 3 times before having to recharge. And just like all of our other rain basin tanks, the washdown can be used to collect rainwater. Simply flip the tank over and open the rain collection port. The bottom side of the tank is designed with an indentation to catch rainwater and funnel it into the tank. For more tips and tricks on how to use your rain basin washdown, check out our Instagram page at Midnight Forest Official.